Cold brew coffee is made in small batches by steeping ground coffee in cold water over an extended period of time to extract maximum flavor. This is different from iced coffee, which is brewed over a short period of time using hot water. The result is an ultra-smooth iced beverage with full-bodied flavor. Cold brew is commonly enjoyed black, although guests can customize it the same way as all other iced coffees, adding flavors, sugar, and/or dairy. Before preparing any product for the first time, it's recommended that you review the job aid, which is a convenient tool that can be used as support while learning how to make a new product. There are 3 steps to the build process for cold brew. 1. Steeping. 2. Draining. And 3. Preparing for service. The product can be made in 2 batch sizes, half batch and full batch. Also, multiple batches can be made at the same time. Begin by gathering your small wares. You will need an iced coffee shuttle, shuttle liner, cold brew coffee filter, 4 dark roast iced coffee frac packs, the designated cold brew service pitchers, rubber spatula, single-use gloves, draining label. All batch sizes require 12 to 15 hours to steep before serving to guests. This means the evening crew will most likely be responsible for the steeping process. Start by placing a shuttle liner in an iced coffee shuttle. Place a cold brew filter in the shuttle liner. Be sure to wear gloves as you will be touching the inside of the coffee filter. Pour 4 iced dark roast frac packs into the coffee filter bag. Using the designated cold brew service pitcher and decals as guidance, pour clean filtered water to the water line twice, then fill to the extract line twice for a total of 336 ounces. Pour the water over the grounds into the coffee filter. Next, take the rubber spatula and gently stir the coffee grounds for 2 minutes, making sure the grounds are soaked and look like wet sand. Be careful not to rip the coffee filter. Fold the coffee filter over the edge of the shuttle, and then place the lid on top of the shuttle. Place the cold brew coffee draining label on the filter and indicate the date and time to drain the coffee from the shuttle. Finally, place the shuttle in refrigeration for 12 to 15 hours, either a walk-in cooler or an upright refrigerator. After steeping for 12 to 15 hours, the coffee extract needs to be drained from the shuttle. This will typically be done in the morning. Drain all of the coffee extract from the shuttle into the cold brew service pitchers and place to the side. You should get approximately 2 pitchers full. Make sure all extract is drained in order to capture the complete batch of the cold brew and to avoid ripping the filter bag. Wash your hands and put on single-use gloves. Carefully remove the used filter and coffee grounds from the shuttle and throw them away, leaving the shuttle liner in place. Do not squeeze the filter grounds to avoid ripping the filter bag. Pour the cold brew coffee extract back into the shuttle. Once filled, add shelf life label to shuttle liner for extract. Refer to the job aids for shelf life information. Refrigerate any shuttles that are not being immediately prepared for service. Remember, multiple batches can be made at the same time. The last step in the build process is preparing for service. Since the cold brew extract is too strong to drink alone, it needs to be diluted for your guests. Fill the cold brew coffee service pitcher with coffee extract from the shuttle to the cold brew extract fill line. Then fill the pitcher up to the cold water fill line with clean, cold water. Using a clean rubber spatula, stir the mixture and cover. If there is any extract left in the shuttle, return the shuttle to the refrigerator. Place the service pitcher in an under-counter refrigerator for easy access. Your cold brew coffee is now ready to serve to guests. Serving cold brew coffee is like serving other iced beverages. In this example, we are going to prepare the cold brew coffee black. First, mark the cup with CB. Fill with ice 2/3 of the way. Pour. Cover and serve.